Part 3 of my GoPro modification. Coming along nicely now, but there's a few things I needed to change. So we'll start off there. I needed, on that big screw that you can see, I needed to thread lock that. It just wouldn't stay tight. So that's now thread locked in place. Going on to the side here, I changed these two GoPro thumb screws sticking out there and some other thing. It looked a lot tidier, so I went with that. The other issue I haven't quite sussed out yet, but I'm getting there, was the mic was popping and banging like crazy. Right, we're down by the foam, river foam, and down by there. It was absolutely hopeless, but I'm hoping I can fix that soon. And the last issue was the top tip of the mic was getting in the film, so I had to extend the rig, and I've bought a 3/8 insert with a 1/4-20 thread and this small rig thing to give it some extension, and hopefully that will work. And of course I got my new stand, which I used with Insta360 one last week. I had to buy one just because they are that good. So there we are. Here we have it. Coming along nicely. Hopefully you won't see any mic in the film, which is brilliant. Well, let's try it out. Hopefully I've got the microphone rigged up properly this time. It was still a bit too far forward. So can you see it? I don't know. Do I sound good? No. But hey, it is what it is. Yes, I'm very happy with it. Very happy indeed. Bye.